Hi guys, hi. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you guys my signature bun. You guys, like, if you noticed my, oh, that feels so good. I literally just removed my wig cap. I wore wig all day, so I just took out my wig cap and it's as if the air just hit my skull right now. So that feels so good. Oh, massaging my hair, like, it makes me feel so good. Oh, hold on guys. And my hair is actually not dirty because I washed it yesterday night, but just the fact that I just took out this this hair net. First thing first, I went ahead. I actually had started, but I didn't know my stupid camera wasn't filming, so I went ahead. I always like to use this Rita Hazan root concealer. I absolutely love it because it kind of imitates my natural hair color, and also, like, I love to use this to camouflage as if I have a fuller hairline. Like, look at this guys, you see how full that hairline looks? It's actually, you know, not that full, but this helps a lot. I'm simply just gonna figure out where I want my bun to rest. You know, it always depends on you. If you want your bun to be like here, you can do it. Let me reduce this. Okay, if you want it to be here, you can do it. If you want it at the back, but I love my bun to be like right at the top of my head. So I'm just gonna brush my hair, put it exactly where. Now I have hair all over my body. Jeez, from one thing to the next, man. Okay, so put it, you know, exactly where I want it. Pack my hair in the middle. And one thing that also helps me a lot, especially if I don't want to use a lot of gel, is to go ahead and kind of wet my hair. I just spritz it a little with water, and this will help make sure, like, my hair, any strand, anything is kind of rested. I like my hair to be very sleek, but then at the same time I don't want it, you know how sometimes when you make your hair so sleek that it starts hurting and it starts giving you headache. I don't like that kind of sleekness. That's one of the reasons I love to just apply water, so it will just help with sleeking my hair. So I'm just gonna brush it. Once I feel like it's sleek, because by the time I go ahead and put the bun, it's still gonna like tighten the hair, so I don't like making it too tight. So once that is done, I'm just gonna go in with this. I like to loop it around like 4 times. Alright? Okay, so something like this. I can still go ahead and spritz water one more time. I go in with my gel. I actually have the Ampro styler gel, and this Eco styler. I think I'm going to use my Eco styler, guys. I'm just going to go in with the gel, pick it up. I don't like to apply a lot of gel, or it all also depends on you. If you want to saturate your whole hair with the gel, you can, but for me, once I apply water, it kind of makes it so much easier to just apply a little bit of gel and my hair, you know, would slick down. So I just use the gel, slick it. And yeah, my hair is actually texturized. Like, I'm not natural, but I think this style too can look good with a natural, you know, person if you're natural. But basically, you just go ahead and apply your gel the way you want it. If you want like obvious stick gel, you can. This is probably it. Like, my hair is slicked the way I want it. You guys, you know one thing I just forgot? I forgot to bring out the bun. Hey Jesus, I have suffered. The main thing about the hair is the one I forgot. I forgot my bun. But don't worry, we're gonna walk around it. I forgot I was doing bang, right? Oh, my fingers hot. I just took out my, oh, this gel. Oh my gosh, I took out my nails, guys. Oh, and my fingers have been hurting ever since I did it. And for some reason, I don't know if the gel got to the area, to the side that kind of, that have my open, even to hold something tight is there. It hurts. It's pepper. Oh. At least for now, I'm going to take a break, maybe for a month. Probably I'm just going to be using the stick press-on nails, you know, the stick-on nails. I can't do my nails for now because I had forgot to bring out my band, guys. I don't know what I was thinking, but basically I just look at, like, my forehead is here. I just kind of look at my temple. Your temple is here and here. So basically I just look at my temple. This black dot here is from this spray. Okay, so I look at my temple and I just bring out, see how I did it, guys? You just pick it up. Ain't no biggie. Depending on how, like, if you want your bang to be a lot, you do it. This right here is a mess now because I already applied gel. I don't like applying gel with my bang, but it's okay. We're still going to walk around it, you know. You know. Okay, now it's time to do the final slicking. Alright, so once I've gotten it, I'm just gonna go back and pack it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna twist. No, hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna twist my hair. Just loop it around. Honestly, I don't like using a lot of gel on my hair, especially if I don't have plans of carrying it for so long. You know how, like, if you want your hair to last, you apply a lot of gel so that way it can dry and last you. But for me, I do my hair every day if I have to, so I don't need to kind of apply a lot of gel. But yeah, as you also, I just twisted it and then looped it around. So this is what we have. Alright, so you guys, there's nothing to this, it's very easy. So now with this, I have, this is a braiding hair. You can just bring out the braiding hair from the pack, just open it in the middle, add a loop at the middle and just tighten it, so that way, you know, you can just put it on your head. So this is just a braiding hair that I just like braided myself. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this hair mousse. I'm just gonna use the hair mousse to smooth this because I've had this for years. I've had this probably for maybe 3-4 years now, and then it's beginning to kind of loosen up. So sometimes I just apply the hair mousse, and the mousse will just help slick whatever fly away hair I have, you know, it will just smooth it. And then I go in with this right here. I just attach it to the bun. Once we've gotten this, guess what, you just start looping it, and as you start to loop it around, guys, you will notice that it starts to snatch your hair. That is the reason I said you don't need to make your bun too tight, because by the time you start looping this around, it's gonna be too tight for you. So whatever, like towards the tail, I just tuck it in so it won't be seen. You have to make sure that whatever braiding hair you're using is the same color with your natural hair, because sometimes you have your natural hair like at the tip, so you want to go ahead and just tuck it in. But even if you don't, right, it still blends with the braiding hair, so nobody, you know, would even notice it. See how that blends so well with my braiding hair. All right, so one more time I'm gonna go in with my Hazan, my Rita Hazan. I don't like this my scalp showing here, so I just go in and fill it in. See how that looks? It looks very clean. Okay, so if you don't have this, you can just simply go in with simply go in with a black eyeshadow, you know, and apply it. But I have this, so I just like to spray it, and once I do that, any like skull or bare skin you can see disappears. That's it. Like, I do this under 5 minutes. Like, seriously, I do this under 5 minutes. Okay, sometimes I just leave the bang, I just leave it like this, you know, while other times I go ahead and coil it. I love to use this handheld coiler right here. This, all you need to do is just charge it, and that's it. Once you on it, you can use this to travel. You don't need any power, you know, for it. Once it's charged and it's fully charged. This is from, I even forgot the brand I got this from. See why it's good to have your name on products? I can't even say the name, but I'm gonna probably leave it on my screen. It's so good. I've been using it non-stop ever since I received it. Like, it's just very, very, you don't need to worry about cord, you know, moving up and down with the cord. Basically, I just hold it and then I go in, kind of feed it into this, then press it. It's gonna curl, and then it's gonna give me a timer. 2, 3, it's gonna get to 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. So it releases, and you guys can see that. That's it. I'm just gonna go do the same thing right on this side. Press it. And that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you guys how I achieved this very quick bun and side bands. I absolutely love I absolutely love this hairstyle at the moment, and I decided to show you guys how I achieve it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye.